Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H9 Pro Max smartwatch, and on this video we are going to pair it with our iPhone. As you requested, we'll show you the process on how to set up or connect the H9 Pro Max with our iPhone here. So let's see if this smartwatch works with iOS platform. As you can see here, it is using the Laxas Fit application. So we will download it from the App Store and pair our H9 Pro Max smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the setup or the connection, drop the comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and connect our H9 Pro Max with our iPhone. The QR code for the app is available here on the packaging, as you can see. It's also available in the user manual. We also have the name here, and we also have it here in the smartwatch. Laxas Fit, available on Android and iOS. Here in the App Store, we can search it. We'll not scan the QR code anymore. Instead, we'll just search the name of the app. And we have here the Laxas Fit. Very low rating, as you can see here. Let's see if it will work with our smartwatch. Let's download the app. Let's see. Let's wait. So number 20 in the utility section. Laxas Fit, 2.2 rating. The download is complete and it's already installed. So let's open the application. So we have here a permission. Allow it once. Then allow Laxas Fit to track your activity across other companies. Ask app not to track. Okay. Then Laxas Fit would like to send you notifications. Allow it. And you have here an option to sign up or register using your Apple account, Google account, or your email. In our case, this is just an example, so we will log in directly. Remember the account number and password. Let's wait. Confirm. Confirm. Then add your own nickname here. So let's change it. I'll just put Michael. Confirm. Then confirm. Laxas Fit would like to use your Bluetooth for connectivity. Okay. Then tap on the Mine section. Tap on search device. It will look for our smartwatch. And we have here a smartwatch. Let's see if this is our wearable. Settings. General and about. So we have, do we have the same address? Yes, we do have Bluetooth address here. Tap on it and wait for the connection. Connecting. Again, allow once and pair. As you can see here, we are connected. Allow also the permissions here. So we are connected with our smartwatch. Bracelet settings. Message notifications, enable all. Let's see what are the setup here. Synchronize system time. Set successfully. I think everything is okay here. We are connected. Let's try to change the watch face just to see if it's working. Dial. Go to the dial mall. Let's select this one. Redeem now. use now. And as you can see, our smartwatch switched to download mode. In just a few seconds, we'll have our watch face or dial. Okay, and that's it for the pairing, the setup of your H9 Pro Max smartwatch with the Laxas Fit app. As you can see, it is working with our iPhone. Easy to pair, easy to install. Just enable some of the permissions. If you don't want the Bluetooth call, you can disable it. If you don't want the message notifications, you can also disable, or you will just have to deny the permissions for the push notifications. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.